If business feels loud and stressful, it's probably not aligned. You've heard the phrase, busy is good, but is it really? For entrepreneurs over 50, calm isn't a luxury. It's the goal. Because at this stage, energy and clarity matter more than grinding for hours. Calm income is predictable. It's not passive, but it's steady, sustainable, and quiet. Frantic income? That's chasing. It's marketing noise, last-minute deadlines, feast or famine stress. Calm business often looks boring from the outside, but it's rich with purpose on the inside. For example, a simple online course that sells while you sleep, consulting clients booked months in advance, a weekly newsletter that earns trust and income. Most people think excitement drives business, but predictability is what builds peace. And peace is what keeps you going. When you're 25, the thrill of chaos might feel empowering. When you're 55, you want to know your systems are working, your income is covered, and your time is respected. That's calm business. Predictability is not stagnation, it's confidence. Confidence gives you room to grow without panic. Complex businesses break. Simplicity isn't about being basic, it's about being smart. One good product, one trusted system, one repeatable message. Simplicity compounds because it gives you bandwidth to improve, not firefight. Your audience doesn't need noise, they need clarity. And the more clarity you bring, the more trust and income you earn. If you're over 50 and business feels loud, rushed, or draining, that's not failure, it's feedback. Start with clarity. Start simple. Start aligned. Link below to take your first step toward a calm, confident business that fits your next chapter.